ChatGPT is a powerful online tool that helps writers create amazing content. From content ideas to research and writing, ChatGPT can help you with every step of the writing process. In this video, I'm going to share with you 8 ways that ChatGPT can help you become a better writer. So let's get started. First, ChatGPT can help with brainstorming story ideas. Writers can use ChatGPT to come up with new and interesting ideas for their stories. Second, ChatGPT can help with editing and proofreading. Writers can use ChatGPT to make sure their writing is clear and error-free. Third, use ChatGPT to generate new plot lines. Fourth, ChatGPT can offer feedback on drafts. Fifth, ChatGPT can be used to inspire writers suffering from writer's block by helping them to generate book outlines, video scripts, and other creative projects. Sixth, ChatGPT can help with developing characters and settings. When combined with community software, writers can use ChatGPT to discuss their characters and settings and get feedback from others on how to make them better. Seventh, ChatGPT can be used to research topics for accuracy. Writers can use ChatGPT to make sure their research is accurate and up to date. Eighth, ChatGPT can be used to find sources for reference material. So there you have it. We have come to the end of another lesson. 8 ways writers can use ChatGPT. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or wish to share your instructional videos on our platform, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget the Pamper Me Network helps content creators to raise funds for and/or monetize their creative projects. If that is you, we would love to collaborate. If that's not you, but you would like to recommend a friend, we will pay you for making the introduction. Please send a direct message if interested. I will send you instructions to get started. In the interim, please follow, like, comment or subscribe for more ChatGPT and AI tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye for now.